Welcome to another video from Dr. Locke. We're going to have a quick look at the ITL900. This is just a 2-minute training video for somebody who's never seen one, wants to work out actually how to use it. We've read the instructions, so to be honest with you, this machine I haven't used 100 times or 200 times, so I'm just going to give you a quick rundown. If you've never ever used one, the information might be helpful. If you've used one every day, you might say, oh, you can do this or this. But yeah, I'm just giving you a very general guide on how to use this machine. So what we'll do is we'll just plug it in. At the moment it's plugged in, but we're going to start from scratch. We're going to apply power to the machine. At the moment now the machine is saying move vise away from cutter, so we'll do that by rotating this backwards. Move vise to the left. We'll do that till it tells us to stop. Okay, manufacturer 527, which is probably the one that they used a lot, or the one that's been pre-programmed to the home position. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put in the manufacturer that we want to use, and that one right here, looking off Instacode, will be manufacturer 225 for this space and depth. So we start off by going manufacturer 225, manufacturer again. It says to insert number 2 on flat 3. So we've just put in a temporary insert there at the moment, and we're going to put in our new key, and we're going to bring the shoulder guide up, move the key forward until the shoulder and the key match, flick it down, and then our next step will be the code. So we push code, and it says no code set. I can see on this piece of paper here the code is 22221. For this example, we're just going to go 33333, and then we push code once more, and then we're going to start to cut the key. So we go down to the cut. Now what we can do is we can turn the machine on, switch at the back. Now the first digit is blinking, and we want to work on our space. So you can see there's 5 black little bars there. So I'm going to move it over into position 1. 1 bar disappeared, 2 bars disappeared, 3 bars disappeared, 4, 5. Okay, so the 5th bar's disappeared. We'll go all the way to the front of the key. Now it's gone into little measurements, so we'll go back to where that bar just appears, and it's just appeared there. So we're going to put a cut into it. As I move this knob and the carriage moves in, these little black bars start to disappear. And we've got 1 little black bar left. We're going to keep moving it until that disappears. If we go too far, you'll see numbers. Just going nice and slow here. Okay, we see numbers. So now we back the carriage off, rotate to the 2nd position. 2nd bar just popped up, so now we rotate the carriage in until this bar disappears. Still got the black bar. Oh, there we go, we see the numbers. Backing it off, rotating to the next position. 3rd bar has appeared, and little black bars are disappearing. We're down to 1. Now we're onto the numbers, so we back it off again, moving it over onto the next position. It's appeared, so we plunge into it until the depth. Yep, there we go. And we have, I might as well do one more. Just winding it till it appears, and there we go, it's appeared. And turn the motor off. So what we've done is we've loaded up the manufacturer specifications, inserted the direct code, which we looked up on Instacode. We looked up the ITL manufacturer's ID, so we put that in first, then we put in the direct code, then we cut the key to code, and showed you how these ones work. So the spacing is pretty much when the black bars there, they pretty much mean when you're there and when you're not. And if you go over it, they have little numbers, tell you how far you've gone over. Also with the depth, when they start disappearing it as you're going in and further, different keys have different inserts, so you have to change that. Different keys have different cutters as well, so you might have to change that as well. I'll run through the quick startup again. So when you turn this machine on, manufacturer, insert your DSD or manufacturer code. For this example it was it 552, and then we push manufacturer. Then you would push code, enter in your direct code, and then after that you would push cut key, and then you're good to go. Reset and clear down the bottom, and that's a two-minute video on how to use an ITL 900. Thanks for watching.